Uh-oh, what's going on now? All right, so today I'm gonna be working on this 2008 Dodge Grand Caravan. It's been having some transmission issues and everything points to the shift solenoid pack. So what I'm gonna do is pull that pack off, replace it, and see if I fix it. So let's get started. All right, so the solenoid pack sits down here underneath this cover. Yeah, this is kicking my butt a little bit. I'm not gonna lie, but so far so good. I mean, nothing's broken. I just had to disconnect a lot of stuff. That other bolt is way back in there, but I got it broken loose, and now watch this. Ugh. I think that may get me enough to get this off. This is what I gotta do. This is what you gotta do when you gotta work on a vehicle. All right, well, that's it there. I gotta replace this piece. So there's 23 of this bolt, these tiny little 8mm that I need to pull out so I can get that valve body out of there. All right, and not lose any of them. Wish me luck. All right, so here's the valve body. Now, this is the piece I'm replacing right here. You got to be really careful because all this plastic has gotten hot. So I'm going to use this little pick tool. Just pry it very gently. There we go, I got it. Let's take a look at the bottom. It would be these Torx right here. All right, so now we're going to take this off from the back side. Let's flip this over. Notice the direction that we're in. This one needs to be situated that way. Let's pop this baby off. Just clean this up just a little bit. We'll line the pins. There's 2 pins here that align. That. And now let's flip it back. Bolt it back. The torque specs to bolt this thing back to the valve body is 53 inch-pounds. I got my T25. I got it set to 53 inch-pounds. Let's see where I'm at here. Okay, that one's 53. And you want to go in like a crisscross pattern. I don't know that there is an actual pattern for it. So you would go in like a crisscross pattern. Do this one, do that one. Do this one, that one, and so on and so forth. I'm not going to bore you with that part of it. So the valve body goes right on here with those 21 bolts or however many there were. The trick is I've got to get that one pin in here without bending it. And I've got to get these 3 in the back of that valve body. So essentially I got to go up from here, up higher, and kind of drop it down a little bit and then push it in. Come up this way, like that. I'm gonna find it. Oh, there we go. Alrighty. All right, the trick is to torque these all to 53 inch-pounds. So getting into some of them is gonna be a pain. This is the Navy way. It's a small bead. What you wanna do, a little bit of spit on your ferret. And when you do that, you can smooth this silicone RTV out to make a really sweet gasket. Keep the spit on your finger and you'd be good to go. All right, that's looking pretty good. Last thing I want to do is make sure that all my connectors are connected so I don't have to go back in here. This one is pushed in and the red is pushed in. Take that one inside there. There we go. There we go. I've just got to get it to come down the way I want it. Right like that. Perfect. Just get that one started. One right there. All right, so these pan bolts are supposed to be 9 foot-pounds. 9 foot-pounds. Yeah, it's running. I don't know, I'm driving this thing around. It's shifting smooth. I don't know. Dawn's gonna have to drive it because to me it shifts smooth, but I maybe just be thinking about it because I did something to it. Put a lot of work in for not knowing if it fixed it or not. Oh well. Not oh well. I think I did. I think it's fixed. Yeah, that's smooth. That's a smooth shift. All right, so I think it's fixed. Have to check with Dawn to see what she thinks. But yeah, I think it's fixed. Seems like it's working fine. All right, well, that's all I got, I guess. I will see you next time.